Spelling counts a lot more in some areas than others. If you make spelling mistakes in fill in the blanks in listening or in dictation, it's going to cost you dearly. If you make spelling mistakes in the essay, you can get away with a lot of things. Your spelling doesn't need to be great. Actually, I prefer you use simple words so you don't make spelling mistakes. Hey guys, Alex here from Dream English, the PT coaching center of your choice, the #1 coaching center in your heart. Just kidding, maybe it is, maybe it isn't. Long story short, today I want to bust some myth. I want to mention some PT tips and tricks that people will tell you, but that are not true. They're just a waste of time. So first thing is, I see a lot of other centers, a lot of other people tell you that you need good grammar, okay? And our video guy Justin is going to show you a bunch of results now of our students. They get 19 writing and their grammar is less than 70 or low 70s or 50s and so on. People tell you need good vocabulary. You need to attend workshops. They need to read a lot. They need to do this and this and this to have good vocabulary to pass your exam. Again, not true. You can see many of our students' results. Vocabulary is not so good, but they're still passing the exam with 79 plus. Spelling is my favorite. Most of you have seen my result in the previous videos. 90, 90, 90, 90. My spelling is 20 or 21. How is it possible my spelling is 21, but I get 90, 90, 90, 90? Again, that's another thing that people will tell you. You need to focus on your spelling. You need to focus on your spelling. Spelling is only important up to a certain extent. Spelling counts a lot more in some areas than others. If you make spelling mistakes in fill in the blanks in listening or in dictation, it's going to cost you dearly. If you make spelling mistakes in the essay, you can get away with a lot of things. Your spelling doesn't need to be great. Actually, I prefer you use simple words so you don't make spelling mistakes. Another one of my favorites, I've seen a lot of funny things lately, and people are not stupid. People see these things. Other coaching centers, what they do is, instead of taking somebody's result and posting it as is, with just cutting out the personal information, they will Photoshop and move things around. They'll put their logo and they'll put all these different things. And the other day I was watching a video, I was obviously checking the competition, and one of the other coaching centers, they accidentally posted a new person's picture, but with a result they had from before. And somebody recognized they've seen this result earlier, and somebody literally commented, "Come on, we're not stupid. We've seen this result before." So I thought that was hilarious. I thought that's kind of karma, where you try to fool people, and people have a gut feeling when it's not true. The next one is when people tell you can get 79 plus by attending class 1 day a week just for 1 hour, and you get it and you pass, no problem. Just all they want is for you to take your card, insert it, put your PIN, and leave. We had somebody today as an example. The gentleman never got more than 60, always getting in the 50s. He comes to us, he says, "Alex, 𝗠cie𝗰𝗸 my exam is on next Thursday. I have exactly 8 days to prepare. I need 79 plus. I went to other places. They told me I can attend 4 classes, 1 for speaking, 1 for writing, 1 for reading, 1 for listening. I will get it." We told him, "Look, if that's what they told you, good luck. You can go there. But we will not be unethical. We will not take your card and just tell you, yeah, you can pass, you can pass." Because from our experience, if you never got more than 60 and you need 79, and if somebody tells you you're going to get it just by attending 4 classes or 4 days you're going to pass, that's not true. So again, PTE is not a piece of cake. Yes, there are tips, yes, there are tricks, but you still need preparation and time. In 4 days, no way you're getting 79 unless you're extremely intelligent or unless you're already in the mid or low 70s or high 70s. So again, those are the biggest myths. You don't need good spelling, grammar, punctuation, spelling, grammar, or vocabulary to pass your exam to get high marks. Second is when you see people's results and they modify, there's something edited, it's not authentic. Again, be cautious what you believe, what you don't believe. And the last thing is, if anybody tells you don't need a lot of time for PTE, you can pass it like this by attending 1 class a week for 4 weeks, and you're going to get it 100%. That means they just want your card, enter your PIN, and get out. And when your visa expires, they don't care what happens to you. So guys, those are the biggest tips and tricks. Don't waste your time on these myths, on these workshops to improve your vocabulary, to improve your grammar. It's helpful to a certain extent, but you'll see we'll post tons of results now at the end of this video, how we have tons of students getting 90s and 85s and 79 pluses, and their spelling, grammar, vocabulary is not that good. Thanks guys. If you're still watching, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, check out some of the other videos we produce just for you. We put in a lot of time and effort. Please let our team know how we're doing. Please leave your comments. I want to know what myth or fake stories, fake news people told you about PTE that you found out is not true. So subscribe, check our other videos, especially this one right here about how to score well in your writing dictation section. Talk to you guys soon. Best of luck.